When I started Wooden Boat, the magazine, I didn't originally think that I would ever start a school. I was just intending to start a magazine. I was just intending to create a journal that people who loved wooden boats could read and contribute to. I had come to the idea of wooden boat through small craft. I was a small boat builder, so I had a deep love for small craft. And I wanted very much to make sure that a waterfront program could develop. But the boat that mattered the most to me, the boat that sort of contained everything in the small boat side of things, was the Herreshoff 12.5. There were a number of 12.5s in Brooklyn at the Santa Harbor Yacht Club, and one summer resident wanted a 12.5, but he didn't want a keel version. He wanted Joel to design a centerboard version of the 12.5. This is a man named Sam Neal, and Joel designed that boat and built it, and Sam sailed it and loved it. And so what it was basically a keel centerboard version of a 12.5. In addition, Joel engineered a cold molded version, and we built plank on frame versions and cold molded versions. And that to me was like another perfect iteration of this principle of how can we find roots in the tradition and yet allow an evolution forward. And the Haven 12.5 was a perfect example of doing that. And again, Joel was always very excited about pushing that envelope.